Hello guys, welcome back to Pips and Portfolio. I know it's been a while, but today I bring you more exciting news. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do because I'll be bringing you a lot of freebies and it's gonna get even exciting from here going. Make sure you do. Now, on my last video, I talked about how you can backtest on TradingView for free without even paying for premium. And today, I know some of you had a lot of feedbacks from some of the traders. Some of you were like, it's good. Others were like, we're having certain problems with the platform. So I'm here to address all those issues and I'm here to give you the full gist. All right. So at FX Replay, the link would be in the description below. So make sure to check it out if you haven't already. Now, before you can actually backtest on FX Replay, the first thing you have to do is you have to create a session. So when you have to, of course, if you haven't already signed up for it, then you have to sign up. Then you go to sessions, as you can see here. On sessions, all you have to do is create session. Now, there is a free version and there is a paid version. Now, we are using the free version because we don't need to pay, obviously. So you can use the free version and it's okay. But there are certain limitations, and that's what I'm going to talk about here. Now, name of the sessions, you can name it anything you want. Let's say Asian sweep, right? Maybe that's what I want to practice. Now, account balance, because you can actually take trades, so you can set, but for the purpose of this video, it won't be necessary. Now, assets. What assets do you want to trade? Euro, USD, as you can see, Wanda. Now, the good thing is that you can backtest you can have up to 6 pairs, right? So maybe Euro card, I can add, so yes, Euro card, maybe USD chef, right? Maybe GBP, USD, let's say USD, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe I can add the last pair, which is USD card. All right. Now, once I'm done, select chart layout. Okay. Chart layout is basically you can actually save a particular setting, right? Okay, we'll get into the chart. So for now, let's leave it like that. Now, initial. So the month you want to backtest. Let's say that we want to backtest from February 3rd, 2025 to the end of, actually, when you click on the August, that will give you all the months. When you click on the year, it gives you the years. You can see, you can go all the way 2010 to 2000. So yeah, I think you have data starting from 2006. So that's enough data for you. We are in 2025, so it's a lot you can do. So let's stick with 2025 for now. Let's say we want to backtest calculator. So let's 2025, 25. Okay, so this 2025. All right. So let's say we want to backtest from February to July, right? So to the end of July, just like that. Now create session. Right, and then you create session now. Sorry for the trouble, it will load. Let's give it a few seconds, and as you can see, Asian sweep strategy, it's loading the chart. So let's give it a minute. Okay, don't forget you can have up to 50 trades in one. So it means that if you want to backtest and let's say place the trades, you can place up to 50 trades in a given month. Because this is a free version, you are limited to 50 trades. But of course, if you pay for the premium, you can backtest more. But we want the free version, so this is where we're gonna keep it. Exceeding 5 pairs. All right, it's all right. So you can actually do up to 6 pairs, so it's okay. Now, as you can see, it's just like TradingView. So a time frame, let's say I select the 1 hour. Right. All right. So the volume I don't need data, so I can delete it. So now I can actually use indicators. Let's say since I'm saying Asian sweep session indicator, just show it on the chart. So you can see, yes. So maybe I want to be backtesting using this session. I want it to always be here. All I can do is I'll go here where you can see the Asian sweep, right? Load layout. See, yeah, you can actually save it, right? So the name is it's already here, or it's already saved for you. It's Asian sweep, right? So it means that anytime that I'm backtesting, I need this particular setting. I can just click the layouts and then load the layouts that I want, and it should just apply to my chart without having to do, without having to do everything from scratch. So now, okay, on the backtest, let me click the play. All right, as you can see, just like that. If you want it to be even faster, you can go to the H4. If you want it slower, or you want to maybe do it one by one, manually, I guess, yes. And there are even shortcuts, Control plus Face and all of that. Yeah, but I want to show something, so let me just let it move, because there's a problem that people faced while backtesting. All right, so as you can see, you can use it to do your backtest. Yep. We're going match. All right. Now you can see expand your backtest. You have reached your current limit of time of backtest. And people have been complaining about this. Why does this happen? This happens because since it's limited, they limit you to 1 month. So it means that in a particular session, when you create a session, you have only up to 1 month, right, to backtest. So let's say I want to backtest from February to August, right? All I have to do, it means I have to create sessions for each month. That's the only limitation. But I mean, it's still doable. So you can do February. When you're done, you go back to a session, create a new session, and then you apply. And also, since your layout is already saved, you don't have to redo all the settings. You can just apply to it like that. So that's why people face this problem. So if they're facing this problem, this is why you can backtest only 1 month. And as you can see, when I click on the pair, the 6 pairs that I selected are all in. So when I go to Euro card, now I get that same month, that same full month I get me. So it means that let's say I want to backtest 6 pairs, I can pick February and backtest gold, the whole of maybe February for gold, and I move to, I get me all those 6 pairs. When I'm done, I can just go back to the page. As you can see, it's here. So I can add new session, right? And if I took any trades, you can see it would record everything for me. The analytics, total P&L, win rate, risk, month gain versus loss. All of these things are here for you. That is if you want to actually take the trade. If you just want to study the data with your strategy too, that's fine. I can add a new session. Let's say Asian rate or Asian sweep match, rate match. And assets, I can select my USD, and I'm just giving one. And a chart layout, I think we called it Asian sweep. I get it. So I can just apply the layout here, and I don't have to do it again. Now we did February, so I can go to March, starting March, which is 3rd to March 31st. And also you can also select on 31st, when do you want the data to end. Maybe you want it to end at 17 GMT. You can just select that, and then I can just create session. I get it. So now maybe I'm done backtesting for February, and I go to March. Then I can select all. If I want the 6 pairs, I can select all the 6 pairs, up to 6 pairs, and then I can backtest. And as you can see, now this is start of March. You see, I get the settings that I already applied, so I don't have to do everything again. And as I said, I can continue. I get my backtest. So you get it. So yeah, so that's the only limitation. You have only up to 1 month. That is why when you do that, they tell you that, So I just want to go back. All right. Now as you can see, this is upgrade to Pro. I can't add more sessions. Why? Because they limit you to 2 sessions. You can create up to 2 sessions. So then how do we overcome these limitations? So let's say I'm done backtesting much. I can just delete the session. I get it. Since I have only up to 200, and then now I can create a new session. I get it. So once you are done backtesting a particular month, you can delete the session. The good news is if you apply the same layout, even though you've deleted the sessions, let's say you had certain drawings, should be anyway. Let's say you had certain drawings from February, right? You did certain analysis on February. I delete the session, I add March. Since you've already saved the layout, when you apply the same layout to maybe March, you can still see all your drawings and everything that you had on February. Right, so let's just do a quick example. Asian, let's say Asian exploitation. I said, let me just use one pair for now, Euro USD and Asian sweep. So let's just select random. Let's just select, let's say February. Let me just select maybe April, right? 2nd April to same April to 30th, right? Create session. Just want to show this. And these are a few things that you need to know. Once you know this, you're good to go. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, because I'll bring you more videos like these, more freebies, more tricks, tips. All right, so this is second, right? Let's move it a little bit. I just want to do something. Okay, so let me take a tool like take this. Let's say I take a trade here, right? And then get this. Okay, so I'll leave it here and then I'll let the trade run to TP. I'll just also be adding random stuff on the chart next time. Okay, just leaving that there. All right, so let me just also add let's say a Fibonacci 2, right? Of course, let's say something like that. Let me leave it. Now I'm done. Okay. Back. Let me delete this session. So that was for, I think that was that April? I think I did April. Okay. So Asian limitation layout. I said Euro USD, same Euro USD. I think it was Asian. The layout to be Asian sweep. All right. Initial date. Since I think I did April. So I'll go with May. Right. Yeah, I think I did April. All right. So May 30th. Create session. Now I've already deleted the previous session, but I just want to prove the theory of I just want to prove to you guys that you will still have, if you apply the same layout, you still have all your drawings and everything from the previous month. So as you can see, this is the start of May, right? Start of May. But as you can see, when I go back, I can still get previous data. So you can see all my drawings are still there. It's here. See this, I added this here, and I think I added the Fibonacci 2. Too sure about that. I think I did somewhere. Yeah, but as you can see, basically all the things I added can still be found. This was in April. I added them in April, right? I've deleted the April session, but they are still there. So as far as you apply the same layout, you still get them. So that's the cool part about it. So yeah, these are basically the few things, few tricks you need to know to be able to still use this despite all the limitations. So basically, this will be all for the video for this session. If you haven't liked, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, you comment, and more freebies are gonna be coming. So stick with me, hit the notification button, and thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.